everyone. So today I just wanted to do a really quick tutorial on how to properly label a triangle. Okay, so when we're labeling a triangle, what we're really looking for are two things. We're looking for where the right angle of the triangle, so this triangle would have the right angle right there. And the first thing that you're going to do is label the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is always directly opposite of your right angle. The next two things that you're going to label are the opposite and the adjacent sides of the triangle. And when we're labeling those two sides, what we're looking for is where is the angle that we're talking about. So where is angle theta? And in this case, angle theta is right here. So if you put your finger on theta, the adjacent side of the triangle is always going to be touching angle theta. And the opposite side is always going to be directly across from angle theta. Okay, so they are not necessarily going to be in this order because the theta angle, this one here, can change. So let's look at another example. So in this triangle, the first thing that I want to do is figure out where my right angle is. Okay, so there's my right angle, and I'm going to label the hypotenuse. So remember, hypotenuse is always opposite of your right angle. So this is my hypotenuse. Okay, and let's say my angle theta is this angle up here. So if I'm going to be working with this triangle, here's theta. That means that this side touching theta is the adjacent. I'll just label that ADJ, and the opposite one is the one that is always opposite of angle theta, so that would be this side here. So this is the opposite. Okay, we'll look at one more example. So here's my angle theta, here's my right angle, here's theta on this side. So the first thing, label your hypotenuse. So here's my hypotenuse. And if this is my theta here, this is the adjacent side because it's touching this angle. And then this becomes my opposite. Okay, so what you need to remember is that the shape of the triangle can change. So it can be flipped around, it can be drawn in different ways. I'll just go to a blank slide here. So our triangles can be drawn like this, they can be drawn like this, they can go like this, and so on. So what you always want to do is look for where is the right angle, label your hypotenuse, figure out where your theta is. Okay, so if that's theta, and that one's theta. This is my adjacent. This is my opposite. This is my adjacent. This is the opposite. Adjacent and opposite. So that is how you label a triangle. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. Thanks.